Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and to hide the likes button you just need to go into your Instagram application and make sure that you already logged in into your Instagram account. And whenever you open the Instagram, sometimes you will be brought into the home sections, but now we need to jump into our profile by click this right sections over here, and after that you just need to go click these three straight lines, and after that go click settings and privacy. And this settings and privacy, you just need to scrolling down until you are arriving in a what you see section, and after that you just need to go click like and share counts here. So to hide likes, you just need to activate this hide likes and share counts by click this button. Whenever it's active, now you already hide the like and share counts. And that's the way how to hide likes on Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is very useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.